محمد يا كنز البريات سيدي وعين مرادي نوره جاء آدي عليك السلام الله النبي محمد عليك السلام الله يا خير من مشى لا مرمل قد كلف الكيس كاويا النبي محمد
صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله عليه وسلم. Actually, I'm overwhelmed. I don't know. It's a small gathering, but it has a lot of social, worldwide coverage. That's what I can say here. The Kabiyesi, Alayeluwa, the Oniru of Iruland, Honorable Alhaji Kabiyesi Abdulwasi Omogbolahon Lawal, and his beautiful Olori, Ajia Honorable Miriam Lawal, the erudite scholars here. You know, I should be here today to listen to lectures, but subject to my assignment in the office, I need to attend as brief as possible. I start from my right. Ustaz Abdullah Awal, the national and international missioner of Ikhwan Mu'minin Society of Nigeria and overseas. Then my prof, Ustaz Timei, from LASU, Department of Art, Foreign Languages. So when you are talking about foreign languages, you are talking Arabic inclusive. Then, to the tail right of my protocol, the Sheikh Ahmad Mokhtar and the chief judge here, Justice Abdullah Adam Ali Lori. Everybody is recognized. Alaja Montai, you are welcome. And everybody that is here, we recognize you. My speech is not much, and there's nothing I can say here because we got this invitation late around 6:30 yesterday evening. So we pushed to the governor for representation. And Ustaz too was there with me, with one of our imam. So we strongly push for recognition and representation. You know, in the government, it's not easy. When you send an invitation to represent, it's not easy. So we have to push. Nevertheless, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a lot of scholars have spoken about him, but we continue to say, you know, we cannot finish talking about Muhammad forever. One of the book I read when I was small, they said, the person that wrote, it's a poem. He said, لَوْ كَانَتِ الدُّنْيَا تَدُومُ لِعَلِيهَا لَكَانَ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ آيًا وَبَاكِيًا. I'm sorry, I'm not far. So please, you can see, I'm sorry, I don't want to go into the affairs. I don't bring speech, neither anything. So it's like I just being careful. لَكِنَّ هَاتَفْنَا وَيَفْنَا نَئِمِهَا وَبَكِلْ مَآسِي وَزُنُوبَ كَمَا هِيَا. And several other people that have said a lot about Muhammad. I cannot be coming and be teaching and talking about Muhammad. But what matters here, when Kabiyesi was delivering his opening speech, I was moved because for Kabiyesi to go as length as entering Quran and everywhere like that, I was like, this is beyond. Because Kabiyesi is telling you that this program, it is an international conference. It's not just international conference. I said it's a small gathering, but has a wider world coverage. Because in another 2 minutes or 3 minutes now, somebody in America will be telling you this is exactly what you said. I recognize the wife of my sheikh, Sheikh Awal, I can cite his wife. Ajia, you are recognized. And several other people that I may not even say that are here. So, anyway, Muhammad, فَوْقَ النَّبِيِّينَ فِي خَلِقٍ وَفِي خُلُقٍ. I don't know what to say about Muhammad. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. All these erudite people, these scholars we talk about, don't worry. But my own is, I said a big thank you to the Ustaz Mukhtar Ahmad Buhari. He has done a wonderful job. The Kabezi said he has never requested for anything for himself. He has never come up and said, come and give me money for anything, but to build a mosque. And from what Holy Prophet Muhammad did is building of a mosque. He doesn't have house. This is my personal house. This is my personal business. And this is my personal entity. But nevertheless, he has built a mosque. And mosque is where all of us are gathering to worship Almighty Allah. May the peace and the blessing of Almighty Allah be with each and every one of us here gathering today. We'll be listening to several lectures and several words from our leaders and our scholars in Islam. May Almighty Allah guide them and guide each and every one of us. Subhana rabbana rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamu ala al-mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
فحاصرت أبا المصطفى دون غيره ولهم كلثوم ولو كان مريم
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Now